Here's some big news coming in. NIA now takes suspended cop Sachin Vaze in Mumbai to Mithi River, the river bank. In fact, the NIA, with the help of divers, have recovered 2 CPUs, printers, DVR of CCTV camera and other equipments. In fact, NIA suspects that Sachin Vaze might have thrown these devices into Mithi River, which could prove to be an evidence in the Antilia bomb scare case and Mansukh's murder case as well. Here's some big news coming in. The investigative agency NIA, the National Investigative Agency, taking suspended cop Sachin Vaze to Mithi River, the river bank. NIA has now reportedly, with the help of divers, recovered 2 CPUs, printers, DVRs of CCTV cameras and other equipments. NIA suspects that Sachin Vaze might have thrown these devices into the Mithi River, which could prove to be a big evidence in the Antilia bomb scare case and Mansukh's murder case as well. Let me cut across to Divyesh joining us for more details on that. Divyesh, over to you. All right, we're going to try and patch Divyesh. Here's the Antilia bomb scare, Ambani bomb scare case, where Sachin Vaze was pulled up almost as the prime accused in this case here. Apart from that, Hiren Mansukh's murder case also simultaneously being probed, where all needles pointing at Sachin Vaze again as the main conspirator and possibly the man who called for the murder of Hiren Mansukh. Here, Sachin Vaze has been taken to the Mithi river bank to try and recreate the scene, and they've also found these visuals that you can see here of quite some equipment there with the help of divers that they've recovered from the river, the Mithi river. Vidya joining us for more details on that. Vidya, right over to you. Are we getting live visuals here of Sachin Vaze, who's been taken to the Mithi river bank? They've recovered quite many DVRs and a lot of other equipment, possibly could be key evidence to crack this case.
Well, it certainly is, and this is exactly what the NIA was really hoping for, that they would get this entire evidence. In fact, they have been for the last many days been saying, in fact, in the last 2 hearings that we have seen when they have brought Sachin Vaze to the, the Mumbai court asking for his remand. In fact, they have slapped a case of UAPA as well, and that's the reason why they have already got 22 days of custody of Vaze. And certainly, this entire evidence that they had been looking for is extremely crucial. They know that the computers and the DVRs that were really required for them to really crack this case further, find more crucial evidence that could be in those equipments that they are really finding in the Mithi River. Well, it really needs to be seen whether those equipments will work, whether they have been damaged, were not damaged. That will really have to be considered by the NIA, who has been working really hard to try to get to the deepest holes as to find out the motive behind these 2 incidences, and of course to find out if there are more people involved. At the moment, the entire theory revolves around the fact that it was Sachin Vaze himself who was doing this because he wanted to become a super cop who had come back to the Mumbai police after a suspension of 16-17 years, and which is the reason why he had done all this. But the NIA is very sure that there are more people involved, and that is one of the reasons why this entire crucial evidence that they are digging out will be in quite a lot of help for them in this case.
Right, Vidya, what really prompted the NIA to actually go deep dive into the Mithi river, and were they prompted that there was some evidence that was thrown into that river? Any tip-off that they had on that before they used actually an elaborate operation with divers now to pull out that?
Well, they have already interrogated Sachin Vaze for the last, around 12-13 days, and during that interrogation, they did get a lot of crucial evidence from Vaze himself, and of course, statements of other police officers have also been recorded. Remember, API Kazi, API Ohal, the 2 people who had been working with Vaze, both of them, their statements have been recorded. They have not been made an accused by the NIA as yet, and both their statements have led to this entire crucial discovery. Remember, a few days ago, if you remember, Vaze was taken by the NIA officials to the Mithi River, where he had shown the locations to, the NIA officials. In fact, just 2 days ago, he was taken to Bhivandi as well, where he had, with regards to the Hiren Mansukh case, he had shown a lot of locations to them there as well. So certainly a whole lot of discoveries being done at the instant of the accused is what the NIA has been saying, and that is the reason why this entire evidence that they are digging out, some computers, some DVRs, these are being recovered by the NIA, which could be extremely handy and crucial
with
to
those
them
details. In fact, what we see here is that Sachin Vaze himself has been coughing up a lot of information. He is now in custody of the NIA for nearly a month now, and he's been giving out information. He, in fact, initially itself admitted while being grilled by the ATS itself that he was involved in the Antilia bomb scare, and now it seems like it's all the more clear that he was also the man behind Hiren Mansuk's death. With all this recovery, it remains to be seen if any crucial evidence has been found by the NIA.